How's it going, everybody? Nathaniel from RCInsight here, and today I am going to be reviewing LEGO City Set 60207, the Sky Police Drone Chase. This set retails for $39.99 in Canada, and comes with 192 pieces and 3 minifigures. So, let's get right into this set. So going from the least interesting to the most interesting minifigures, we first have our gold firefighter statue here. Not a lot to say, you know, get gold pants, gold torso, gold face print. Nice gold fireman's helmet. We've seen it before, but I do like it. I've always liked that helmet. And then also a gold for the fire hydrant or fire extinguisher part of me here. These are bricks that you don't normally get in gold colored, so it's nice. There's not a lot to say here. Like I said, it's just all one color print, but it's just nice to get, I guess, some pieces in this color that you wouldn't normally get otherwise. Moving on, we have our Lady Cop, and I like what they've done with the print here. They've kind of, you know, updated it, made it a little more detailed, but they've harkened back to the original white and gray striped cop outfits. Printing continues over the back here. Not much to say about it, but I like how they play on nostalgia, and I've always just liked this look for our robbers, or our bad guys, so big fan of that. We do have the new face print with the radio or the mic printed on the face, and also a reddish maroon colored beanie that we don't normally see in these sets as well. So just some nice little touches on this minifigure. She's also holding her radio control or remote control, which has been a common theme in a lot of these 2019 sets, and that is a sticker on the front there. Lastly, we have our new Sky Police officer, and I really like this minifigure. I like the color of the printing here with the light blue. He's got like a vest with a bunch of pouches over top of it, and the police badge, and the vest continues over to the back there. No printing on the legs, but a nice torso print. And then the highlight of this is the new helmet visor piece that we get. So this is a new piece here, and it's designed to fit with the respirator that he gets, because he's our helicopter pilot. And I guess we're talking about, oh, it's actually a she. She's our helicopter pilot, and we're talking about high altitudes and speeds here, and it's without questioning it too much, it's nice to see kind of some new pieces, and some pieces that have practical applications in the real world make their way into LEGO, and to create some cool new designs. No double-sided face here, but like I said, really like this minifigure. So moving past our minifigures, I guess we'll look at this statue build as a whole. Not much more to say here than I had to say about the firefighter himself. This is what the robbers are trying to steal in this set. There's a little piece down here, and I believe it's a sticker on there, not printed, but I could be wrong. I can't remember, to be honest. Either way, piece down there with kind of the date that this memorial, I guess, was built. And a really basic build. It's cool, though. It's something that we don't really see a lot in LEGO City sets, so again, it's nice to have. Then we have our drone. Those are 2 stickers on the top there, and those are the only stickers on this guy. And this is controlled by our robber with the radio control there, and this is what's supposed to steal the golden statue off of its stand, or off of its plaque. Not a lot to say here. It is, as you can see, a very small build, so there's nothing super extra special about it. It's something we haven't seen before in LEGO City, so I guess that's nice. It's also a nice red color for the bricks here. I really like the colors they've chosen to go for the bad guy stuff in this police theme. It's really nice. And you got 4 propellers. They all spin. They all move as well. You can adjust where they are. And also the legs here that are supposed to grab the statue, they move as well. But other than that, I don't have much to say about this drone build, other than, like I said, it's kind of cool, something we haven't seen before. And lastly, what is the bulk of this set? We have our Sky Police helicopter, and this, it's one of the compact helicopters. We've seen a lot of compact helicopters of late, but they do some things a little bit different here that I like. I will mention that we can only fit 1 minifigure in our cockpit here, and that is our female Sky Police pilot that just sits in there like so. But yes, this is a little bit of a different look to a helicopter than we've had in the past. We do have our play feature here with the net that shoots out like that. I'm not really a fan of these nets, to be quite honest, but you just kind of crumple it up in a ball and stick it back in there. So as far as small LEGO City helicopter builds go, I like this a lot. It feels like it's got a little bit more weight to it when you pick it up, a little bit more substance to it than most of our small helicopters, which makes sense with it being the center point of this set. But there's still not a lot here. So we'll take a look at, first off, a couple of things that I like about it. I like the detailing here around the rotor blade up top. I like this little spotlight that we have over here that you can adjust. And I like that we have kind of a thicker, bulkier tail as well connected to the main body of our helicopter. So I'm a fan of the little, it's small, but I'm a fan of how it feels a little bit larger, a little more complete. We do have a spinning, rotating blade here at the back, which is also a nice touch that we don't see on a lot of the other sets. A couple of things that I don't like, though, that I think were odd decisions, mainly one, actually, I would say, is the fact that they decided to put wings on this helicopter as well. It really bothers me. It feels out of place. It feels like this helicopter doesn't know what it wants to be. So when I first looked at buying the set, and when the LEGO City set images were first released, Jangbricks had said he felt this helicopter looked a little bit of a mess. And while I like that it has a more full feeling and a more weighted feeling, it is a little bit of a mess with the wings in there. It does feel like there's a bit too much going on for this helicopter of this size. The other thing that adds to that feeling, in my opinion, is the fact that we have 1, 2, 3, 4 on both sides there, 5, 6, 7, 8 stickers on there, plus a printed piece. We have 8 stickers plus a printed piece on this, 9 stickers, this one as well, 9 stickers plus a printed piece on this helicopter, and that adds to just the feel that there's maybe a little bit too much going on here. And that's really ironic for a set that has, I think, like under 200. It has under 200 pieces. The set does feel a little bit unbalanced. So looking at this set on a whole, I like it. I like what we have here. I like what we see. I have my complaints with everything in this set. I have some of my complaints with the helicopter having wings, the stickers, feeling a little bit too convoluted, like there's too much going on. The fact that the drone is really small and insignificant to a set that's got drone in the name, and it's not as prominent as I think it should be. So there's nothing perfect here. There's nothing here that just blows me out of the water. And normally that's not a problem, but in this case, it actually does become a problem. The set is fine. The builds are fine. I like it. But then the price point comes in, and at 40 bucks for less than 200 pieces, it is ridiculous. And for that reason alone, this set is not worth your time or your money. It tries to play on nostalgia, and I like that. It's got some nice minifigures, and it comes with basically 3 minifigures. One that's got kind of the nostalgic old robber look. I love that. The gold firefighter, something you don't get a lot like that, and a nice, like a really nice new print for the Sky Police. So the minifigures are by far the strongest aspect of this set, but coming in at $40, like $2 a piece, is absurd. And overuse of stickers, and just a set that doesn't know what it's trying to be, really, in my opinion. I would give this a 3 or 4 out of 10. It's by far the worst set LEGO has released in this city line. I think it falls below even the new LEGO City Sky Police base, I believe is what it's called. It's the airport set, and which is an awful set as well. But this falls below that, and it pains me to say this because LEGO has had a lot of good sets come out this year. But this is just not one of them, and the biggest part of that is being the price point. If this was $24, then I would say go buy it, but it's not. It's way more than that, and for what you get here, and for the mess that you're going to inherit, and for some things that they just feel off, it's not worth the price point. So that's my review for this set, guys. Hopefully I didn't ramble on a little too long saying the same things, but I am going to have a couple more LEGO City reviews coming your way, hopefully before the New Year's. So stay tuned for those, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.